Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to take you through our start menu for EXL Cloud. EXL Cloud has a start menu that is integrated into Excel. So all you need to do is just really click over the various icons that you want to access and it takes you directly to that workbook. The workbook stored in the cloud and allows you to pull it in. This means you can go back to the menu to find your favorite reports, dashboards, models, consolidation, and data pulls or push. So let's have a quick look. So to find the start menu of EXL Cloud, we'll go to the EXL Connect ribbon that's sitting inside your Excel. When you click on EXL Connect, you'll notice your name in the left-hand corner where you can see and manage your account. You can also manage access for all your different users. And then you have the start menu. We can open workbooks where you can find some of those workbooks, but we're going to stay with the start menu. The start menu is the easiest way to get started. Of course, clear data and save local, save to cloud, which allows you to save it on the cloud. And then of course, to raise a ticket is a nice, easy way for you to get some support if you're really struggling and run diagnostics and some other online information. But if we click the start menu, that's a great place to get started. So let's do that. So what you can see is we've grouped our content together. We have the reports, the dashboards, the consolidation, the models, the data pull, and the data push. If you're on the advanced content plan, you can get access to all of this. If you're on the data pull plan, you will get access to just the data pull and the data push icons and menus that you can see here. The rest you'll need to upgrade to the advanced content. If you do have access to all of the dashboards, models, and reports, then all you need to do is you simply click through, as you can see here. So let's have a quick look at the reports. We have our performance report and our position and returns report. These reports are for management reports or board reports and really come with a lot of content that you can use and customize commentary. All you need to do is click the particular link and it'll open up the report that you need. So on the performance report, when we click, it'll open up the performance report master control. These master controls are consistent across all the workbooks. We'll cover those in a separate session. Right now, I want you to just focus on the start menu. We have our reports, our dashboards, our consolidation, which allows you to consolidate multiple entities with a set chart of account structure. Our models being our one-way cash flow model, that is a cash-only basis, which allows you to have a scenario manager, which has 3 scenarios, allowing you to customize the scenarios in a couple of clicks. You also have a baseline forecast. We're going to cover that in another video as well. And then you have your one-way profit performance, which is effectively your income statement. So what we're giving you in a model is a one-way, which is just one financial statement, either being cash-based or accrual-based. Really, that looks at your profit and loss from an accrual perspective or profit and loss from purely a cash flow perspective. The data pools are really there to help you pull data into the spreadsheet and build your own. We have the clean P&L and balance sheet pool. We have an account transaction pool, which allows you to pull all the detailed transactions by source code. We have the balance sheet pool standalone, invoice and bills allows you to pull that information. And then of course we have the profit and loss pool and the trial balance pool. We're going to be releasing more data pools as well as we go along. So if you want to have an influence on what we're going to be doing, perhaps you can use the survey to vote. On the push side, we have the manual journals push, which allows you to push a manual journal from Excel into Xero. The bank transactions, this allows you to push bank transactions in case you don't have a bank feed that is live. Some cases, certain banks are not connected. This allows you to push those transactions straight from an Excel file. You can download from your bank the export transactions and upload it using the bank transactions push. We also have an ability to push both invoice and bills. And that allows you to really automate the billing and invoicing process. Just like the others, we're going to have more information that's going to be available on the data push. If you want to influence that, make sure you vote on the survey. Now that we've covered all the content, What we have as well is additional information to help you get across EXL Cloud. We have how to use EXL Cloud, which gives you a little easy to use start menu in terms of the little icons that you see in your add-in. EXL Cloud sits within Excel as a ribbon. So this is really helpful when you're trying to really understand the different aspects of where you find information, the reports, models, dashboards, consolidation, and data pools. How you add a new organization, and how you use the various workbooks, and how you get and pull and clear information. All of this is available in the easy to use help screen, which I just clicked on. The manage connections is another easy one for you to remove connections that you will be using for zero. The connections that you do use will be charged on a per use basis. So if there's an entity that you don't want to use anymore, then you can certainly click that. So I'm just going to click get. This is the list of entities that I have. And then if I wanted to remove any of those, I would simply click remove and it would remove those just like you would any other menu. Managing the connections is an important part of managing your subscription. The features is another easy way to go through what's actually contained in the various content that I just covered. Whether it's P&L actuals, P&L budget, balance sheet, cash flow, dashboards, reports, whether there's a model involved or not. Pivot tables, we like to include all pivot tables for accountants because we know how much accountants love pivot tables. And of course, Power Query. For some more advanced analysis in terms of consolidation, we're actually using Power Query to run that. We also have information below that which explains in more detail all of the different features and what's included in there. The next is your workbook usage. This is a great way for you to see how your team is working and what workbooks they're focusing on. It will give you insight as to what's been spent more on which particular workbooks. And it gives you information on team members in terms of their activity across those different workbooks and content. The next is your connection usage. If you're the owner and administrator for your account, you can have a look at what your potential cost is relating to these connections. And if you want to manage your connections, you simply go back to the manage connection icon, which I covered earlier. Connection usage is important to manage your overall cost. I hope this has helped you really get an understanding of our start menu in EXL Cloud. Really easy, intuitive, it's almost like a web page with hyperlinks and allows you to click through the different reports and information as you need. Stay with us for this and more. Keep Excel and leverage the cloud. Thank you.